Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:09 Eastern Standard Time. It is the 4th of February, and we are seeing a good sized sell-off here, breaking some good support levels that we mentioned. Good unfilled gap from this morning, even below the swing low of yesterday. Using that as perfect resistance, the 109.50 mark, marched all the way down, stalled just briefly pre-market at 109. Like we suggested, and then just fell out of bed on market weakness. We talked about that this morning. The one thing we didn't quite get was a stall around 108. In fact, we broke it rather nicely, and 108 was going to be kind of an area of support. So that is the unfilled gap, and it's very difficult to see this unless you're looking pre-market from before. So the 107.50 is a line that was in here also from before. The 108, typically the beginning of a gap, will act as support, and we didn't see that today. So that's an X% more weak, but we did get a perfect gap fill into the beautiful run-up we had over the last couple of days, and we're seeing some support there right now at the 107.50. So at least technically the markets are behaving, but we are now in the midst of another low base type situation. Even after this little swing high we talked about a couple of days ago got put in, now it's definitely validated. We'll have to see where the volume is at the close. If it's high again, the next logical place support to my eye, this is a great gap fill for many, many reasons. And it even corroborates back here at this 107.30/25 area. Right now we're trading at the 107.40. The low of the day so far was 107.05, so that great round number there, 107. And so it's good support, now tested more than once. Below that, we've got a good support level at the round number 104. I would also say, even though there's nothing technically beyond this, 105, 106, just being round numbers would be some support too, but never can tell. But definitely the swing low back here around 104. So watch out for that. On the way back up, if we do make a retracement, let me remove some of this pre and post market data, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. That's deep. So very good unfilled gap. Resistance at 109 now. The 50% retracement of this gap down. So that's also about in this area of 108.60. Beyond that, 110, 110.50. So we'll have to see if we get any kind of bounce here at this perfect gap fill. Again, it's a little bit easier to see pre-market, and if you zoom out, you can see where we're coming from. So a little bit more difficult to read technically unless you've got pre and post market data, but still extremely deep. So trade well, everybody. Look forward to D7's video at the close, and I will talk to you soon.